I love an easy DIY, and these are going to be like the easiest. I've done something like this before, but with a different shape towel. They have the fall ones out at Dollar Tree, and you can see they have like different colors, really cute, really nice. And really, you can just hang these, and they'll be like a cute piece of decor. But we're going to make some towel risers with these. But if you wanted to save the string on the tassel, you would not cut it like I did mine. But you can leave on the staples in the back because you really won't see them. But if you didn't want to leave them on, you can just use like a plier or something just to lift them up. Or if you give it like a good tug while the string is still on there, they'll lift up. But this is a good tassel to use later on for a DIY. So if you wanted to save the whole string, you can do that. But you're going to need to get the ribbons off of, not the ribbons, the beads off of there. So you can use those. So this is all you need for it. Everything is already there. You buy the item and everything is already there except for the glue. And then once you take the beads off, you would just glue them onto the back. For the leaves, I'm just using 3 of the beads. I don't know why I keep calling them ribbons, but I'm just using 3 of the beads. For the pumpkin shaped ones, I'm using all 4 of the beads, so they'll come with 4 beads. And then that is how it looks. It is so simple, so easy. And I love how these towel pieces have like kind of like a little clay look to them, which makes it like super nice, like a nice matte finish to it. But these are super fun. If you want to follow along for more fun fall and Halloween DIYs, we're gonna be doing some fun ones of those too. Make sure to follow along and check those out. They're coming soon.